Welcome to the lecture on complex analysis, probability and statistical methods. So in this lecture, I am going to discuss about the concept regression analysis. So first we will see what is meant by regression. So regression is an estimation of one independent variable in terms of the other independent variable here. So mainly we are having two types of lines of regression. The first one is regression line of y on x. It means that representing y in terms of x variable. One more is regression line of x on y. It means that representing x in terms of y variable. The formulas are given like y minus y bar is equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. So alternative formula is capital Y is equal to summation capital X capital Y by summation x square into capital X. And the regression line x on y is given by x minus x bar is equal to r sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar, or alternatively we can take the formula like capital X is equal to summation xy by summation y square into capital Y. So where this capital X and capital Y stand for, capital X is given by x minus x bar and capital Y is given by y minus y bar. So in the above equations, the coefficients of x and y is sigma r sigma y sigma x and r sigma x sigma y. So in this one, the coefficient of x is r sigma y by sigma x. In this one, the coefficient of y is r sigma x by sigma y. So these are known as regression coefficients. So by using the lines of regression also, we can easily estimate the values of correlation coefficient. The formula is given like r is equal to plus or minus square root of coefficient of x into coefficient of y. So if r is positive, if both the coefficients of x and y is positive, and r is negative if both the coefficients of x and y will be negative here. Problem number 1. In partial destroyed laboratory record, only the lines of regression of y on x and x on y are available as 4x minus 5y plus 33 is equal to 0 and 20x minus 9y is equal to 107 respectively. Calculate x bar, y bar and coefficient of the correlation. So some lines of regression they have given in this problem. So by using the lines of regression, we have to estimate the mean of x and mean of y, and also we have to estimate the correlation coefficient. So given 4x minus 5y plus 33 is equal to 0, 20x minus 9y is equal to 107 are the regression lines here. So rewriting the above equations in terms of x bar, y bar, as we know that the x bar, y bar passes through the regression lines, I'll be getting 4x bar minus 4y bar is equal to minus 33, 20x bar minus 9y bar is equal to 107. So on solving this equation, so in the calculator go for equation mode, take two unknowns and solve this equation. So we'll be getting the value of x bar is equal to 13, y bar is equal to 17 are the mean of x and mean of y's. So since we have the lines of regression, we can easily estimate the correlation coefficient also. So the formula for the correlation coefficient will be given like this. So to find r, so first take the 4x minus 5y plus 33 is equal to 0. So from this equation, I am going to represent the y in terms of x variable. So I will be getting minus 5y is equal to minus 4x minus 33, or 5y is equal to 4x plus 33. Y is equal to, I can write like 4 by x plus 33 by 5. Y is equal to 0.8x plus 66. So from the next line, I am going to estimate x on y equation. So 20x is equal to 107 plus 9y. X is equal to 107 by 20 plus 9 by 20 into y. So I'll be getting x is equal to 5.35 plus 4.5y. So x is equal to 0.45y plus 5.35. So from this we can estimate the coefficients of x and y to find the value of r. So in this one, the 0.8 is coefficient of x and 0.45 is coefficient of y. So take the formula. So r is equal to plus or minus square root of coefficient of x and coefficient of y. So replace the value 0.8 and 0.5 here. I'll be getting r is equal to plus or minus square root of 0.8 into 0.45. I'll be getting r is equal to plus or minus 0.36. So r is equal to plus or minus 0.6. So finally we can take r is equal to plus 0.6 since both the coefficients of x and y are positive here. Example number 2, given 8x minus 10y plus 66 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 18y is equal to 214 are the regression lines. Find the mean value of x and y and the coefficient of correlation. Also compute sigma y if sigma x is equal to 3. So in the previous problem also I told how to find the values of x bar and y bar. To find x bar and y bar, as we know that x bar y bar passes through the regression lines. So I'm converting all the x and y equation in terms of x bar and y bar. So I'll be getting 8x bar minus 10y bar is equal to minus 66, 4x bar minus 18y bar is equal to 214. So on solving this equation in the calculator, in the equation mode 2 unknowns, I'll be getting the mean of x is equal to 132, mean of y is equal to 90. So now to find the correlation coefficient r. So given 8x minus 10y plus 66 is equal to 0 is one equation. So simplifying this for x in terms of y variable, I'll be getting 8x plus 10y is equal to minus 66, x is equal to 10 by 8 y minus 66 by 8. So x will be equal to 125y, sorry 1.25y minus 8.25. So similarly from the second equation, I'm going to represent y in terms of x variable. I'll be getting minus 18y is equal to 214 minus 4x, or 18y is equal to minus 214 plus 4x. So y will be equal to what we'll get it? Minus 214 by 18 plus 4 by 18x. So I'll be getting y is equal to 0.22x minus 11.88. So from this one we can observe that 1.25 is the coefficient of y, 1.22 is the coefficient of x. I'm going to incorporate this in the formula. So we'll be having the formula like r is equal to plus or minus square root of coefficient of x, coefficient of y. So r is equal to plus or minus square root of 0.22 into 1.25 will get it. On simplifying this, I'll be getting r is equal to plus or minus 0.5244. So since both x and coefficient of x and y are positive here, I'll be getting r is equal to plus 0.5244. So next, to find the value of sigma y when sigma x is equal to 3 they have given. So the alternative formula for the lines of regression given like y minus y bar is equal to r sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. So from this equation I can estimate the value of sigma y, and also given lines of regression y is equal to minus 11.88 plus 0.22x. So on comparing the coefficients in the both the equations, so from these two equations, what I can write, the coefficient of x will be r sigma y by sigma x in this equation, and the coefficient of x in this one is 0.28. So since I can equate the coefficients here, I'm equating r sigma y by sigma x is equal to 0.22, and r sigma y is equal to, I will get sigma x into 0.22. Sigma y will be equal to what? Sigma x into 0.22 by r. Since we know the value of r and sigma x, I can easily estimate the value of sigma y. So sigma x is given by 3, sigma r we've obtained like 0.5244. On replacing this value in this formula, I'll be getting sigma y is equal to what? 3 into 0.22 by 0.5244. So I'll be getting sigma y on simplification 1.2585 I'll get it. So thank you. In the next lecture, I'm going to discuss few more examples on the curve fitting, and also on correlation, and also on regression also. Thank you.